Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen, and today we have a Marzocco GS3 with us in the shop, and it came in for a few issues, mainly that the steam assembly was not working when you pulled the lever, nothing would come out. Secondly, this machine just needed a complete overhaul, 12 RPM, just because of the age of the machine and the scale issue that was in this one. This one had quite a bit of scale inside of both the boilers, so we did have to descale for quite a bit. After descaling, we do drain the boilers completely so that there's no descaler left inside the boilers. Also fixing up the group head, cleaning out all the built-up coffee, back flushing, replacing the gasket and the shower screen. This one has a brand new silicone gasket, same orange one as you can see with the old one. Lastly, we found an issue where the solenoid, the brew solenoid, was actually getting stuck quite a lot, and so we replaced the brew solenoid with a brand new one. So now we're going to quickly test the machine. We're going to, again with that new kit, it's going to be pretty new, so you're going to see the portafilter might not want to go 90 degrees, but after you use it a little bit, it should be fine. We're going to do a continuous shot. You can see our bars are at 9 bars. Shot's coming out beautiful. Beautiful shot. Turn that off. So you can see all that back pressure goes backwards into the drip tray now. Just rinse a little bit of water to clean it out. Secondly, the steam wand. As you can see, it's now working. We did a full rebuild on that steam wand, taking it apart, replacing all the pieces, lubricating, descaling, cleaning the hoses out of the steam wand also. Just make sure everything is working nice and good. And then lastly, the hot water tap, of course. Oh, sorry, wrong button. There you go. The hot water tap working great. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell. Thanks for watching.